India, a colorful land of a colorful culture, is best described by its vibrant and colorful attires, and among them, sari steals the spotlight. Sari is the most popular traditional dress of Indian women, and it plays a very important part in women's life by helping them to express themselves in different moods at different occasions. In the modern time, and especially in cities, mostly women adorn the sari for some special occasions because of its elegance and sophistication. But in the rural area of India, sari is the only way to showcase the style for teenagers to adults. If one has to talk about a sari which is most ancient, finest, and considered topmost in the fashion world, it would be none other than the Banarsi sari or Banaras brocades and saris. A sari which is known in India and all over the world for its gold and silver brocade or zari, fine silk and opulent embroidery. The Banarsi sari is one of the most ornate and beautiful garment from India, worn across the country for special occasions and weddings. This bridal favorite is much loved by all generations for its unmatched beauty and splendor. Banaras was once a world famous center for handmade textiles. The fabrics made in Banaras have a continued tradition in the cultural history of India. The earliest mention of weaving in Banaras finds in the Rig Veda, dating back to 1500 BC to 500 BC. The Vedic text mentions weavers as Tantuvayas who make clothes of various types such as cotton, silk and brocades. The reference of weaving from Kasi was found in tales of Jataka and in the writings of Kautilya and Patanjali. At that time, the weaves from Kashi were known as Kashika Vastra or Kashiyani. Even epic Ramayana mentions that the great king Ravana adorned himself with golden and brocade clothes. In Pali literature, Banaras is described as one of the most reputed centers of textile manufacturing known for Kasya. As per Buddhist legends, it is believed that after the Mahaparinirvana of Lord Buddha, his mortal remains were wrapped in the Banarsi fabric that emanated red, blue, and yellow rays. Banarsi silk gained more popularity when Mughals ruled in India. The Banarsi silk today has a mixture of two different cultures, the Mughals and the ancient Indians. Many foreign travelers also give various accounts of views about Banaras silk and brocades. Ralph Fitch, an English traveler who visited Varanasi in 1583, described the fabric being fine as the filmy webs and spider weavers. The tradition of weaving in India was celebrated by Saint Poet Kabir. He said the wondrous weaver wove the cloth with the thread of karma as warp, memory, and attachment as weft. Banarsi silk is distinguished by its tight weave, metallic sheen, gold work, fine feel, and detailed design of intervening flowers, figures, jal or net and leaves. Varanasi is a spiritual capital for those who seek peace and a Makkah for those who seek frames. Varanasi has always been a favorite city for everyone. The city is carrying its heritage with dignity and pride. And whenever we see a woman with Banarsi sari, it seems taking a dip into holy river Ganga. The finest, materials are used to create the Banarsi sari, like woven silk from the south of India and good quality gold and silver threads. Banarsi sari is also known as brocade sari. Brocade is a specialty of Banarsi fabric. It is literally a cloth of gold. It usually takes around 15 to 30 days to complete weaving a Banarsi sari. However, it depends on the complexity of the design and patterns. Normally, 3 weavers are required in the creation of this sari. One weaves the sari, the second one handles the revolving ring in making bundles, and the third one assists in the border designing. An artist creates design boards by sketching the design. And these designs are hand-drawn or mostly done in pixel calculations and printed on the graph sheet. These graph sheets becomes the reference to punch the cards. They are made to a set of cards that will be tied together and loaded to the jacquard machine. The designing of Banarsi sari requires teamwork. Ideally, a Banarsi sari has around 5,600 thread wires and all are 45 inches wide. The craftsmen make 24 to 26 inches long base. Silk yarns are processed, dyed and are available ready in bundles in the market. The weavers get the suitable silk threads. The raw silk yarns are processed, they are dyed with suitable colors. The weaving is done and later the dyeing process is carried on. It follows something that of a tie and dye process. Saris like chiffon undergo this tie and dye process. The yarn, after the initial stages of processing and dyeing, it is segregated to undergo wrapping and weft process. The threads are spun to spools with the help of a spinning wheel to prepare the spools to load to the fly shuttle. The threads that fill up through fly shuttle is called weft. The loom is set up with the threads and the process of weaving is begun, before which the jacquard cards are fixed to the jacquard machine, and following the cards the threads are pulled and the desired design and the sari is weaved. In weaving, warp craftsmen build the base that runs of the required length. Once the punch cards are prepared, those are spun with altered threads and colors on the loom, allowing to design and are paddled in an orderly manner that the main weaving picks up the right color and the right pattern to produce the design and weave as well. The Banarsi sari is divided into categories like tissue, bootidar, cutwork, tanchoi and jungle. The Banarsi sari has 4 main fabric varieties: Georgette, Shatir, Organza with zari and silk, and Katan. These famous sari has eye-catching patterns and shades woven on a handloom and shipped all over the world. These traditional and stunning Banarsi silk saris are recognized globally due to the unique patterns and intricate designs made on the saris. Banarsi saris have become immensely popular today and are one of those rare garments that are traditional while also being trendy. Many Bollywood actresses have worn Banarsi silk saris on the red carpet, while fashion designers have also experimented with the traditional designs. The Banarsi sari is a must-have in the wardrobe of every woman. In 2009, weaver associations in Uttar Pradesh secured geographical indication rights for the Banaras brocades and saris.